Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins, and in this edition, guys, we got an envelope. Looks like we're going to go through some ones, and this was a little impromptu gift given to me by somebody, and so we're going to open this up real quick. Just going to separate the glue with the Laura blade and see what we have here. So basically we're going to go through this stack of ones and get it out real quick. It looks like we have a total of 50. So what I'm going to do is go through here hoping to find any star notes or fancy serial numbers. Let's see here, T764. Nope. So that was a 2009, nothing too special there. This one's actually a 1985. For the age of it, it's almost worth keeping, but the serial number really isn't there. I'll put that aside just for now. I probably won't keep it, but you never know. 187, 25252, no. 415. So basically what we want to look for is things like right here. If this was 41 and this ended up in 41, that would be called a bookend. This one is pretty close to being something good if these middle numbers would be a little bit different. Let's see here. 532, 321. It's 1, 2. So we're just trying to see if, again, if there's any star notes. You want to see if the serial numbers match, if there's any offsetting, things like that. And of course, date, condition is always very key. On this one right here, you can see that this 2 is a slightly down from the other ones. It's considered a kind of an error, but it's not an error that really brings enough to make a big deal, so I'm not going to keep that. Same thing here, 267, no. And so guys, the key to this is looking for things like date of birth, like, somebody birth year notes, repeaters, what they call ladders, where they go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Things like that. And sometimes you can find some really good stuff. It's really hit and miss, just like it is with coins. So you want to make sure to keep your eye out, and like I said before, that your serial numbers match up, because if you have a mismatched serial number, that is something worth a premium. Let's see here. So like a bill like here, this one, nope, still nothing special yet, guys. And sometimes it happens when you're going through the bills. And you just like with going through coin roll hunting, it's about numbers. And honestly, if you want to find a lot of star notes, what you want to do is go through a lot of bills. Sometimes I get really lucky and find some in a little run, and then other times I'll go through a couple $100 and never see the bill that's worth keeping. And so far, that's kind of where we're at, guys. These serial numbers have been pretty vanilla. Let's see here. On this one, you can see where the inking is extra thick on that serial number compared to this one. Still nothing special here. And let's see here, 93796. Nope. So one of the cool things is about currency is it's more of a niche. So there's still a good chance to find stuff in your area. There's a lot of people that don't really look at fancy numbers in the general public, so you have still kind of a chance to do really well. And so far, guys, we have not found anything too exciting. We just, like I said, it's all about the numbers. Let's see here. Nothing special there. Let's see what this one says. And actually, this one, as you can see, looks to be offset. See how there's a very thick border at the bottom, real thick on the sides, but then not so high on top. And what I can do is show you a different note. And you can see right there, there's a difference in how thick that border is. Just, if I line the bills up even this way, you can see that this bill is a little offset. But it's so wrinkled, and the serial number really isn't anything special, so I'm not going to keep that. Even though, somebody goes, oh, it's offset, it's an error. You want to make sure with currency that's in pretty good condition. Unless it's a star note or something with a super fancy serial number, you're not going to get much out of it if it's all wrinkled up. Like this note right here, where you can hear the crispiness, you can feel it, and you can see there's not a problem with the build. That's the kind of note you really hope to find. Let's see here, 8332, 8491, nope, still nothing too special, guys. We're hoping to at least pull a star note or just something out, but hey, you know, that's part of the beauty and the fun of doing this is the unknown. You just never know what you're going to find. And then if you don't find something, hey, at least you had fun. You did something, you sat around, maybe hung out with the family and looked at the bills, you know. Let's see here, 865, no, still nothing too exciting here. You don't know. And all of a sudden, now all the bills are turned around. So we're going to flip this pile real quick. Make it quick. 5, 6, 2, 3, 7. Oh. See, like in this one, this would be great if this said 5, 6, 7, and then 2, 3, 4. That would be a broken ladder. 3, 3, 4, 8, 2, 8, 5, 2. And let's see here. Here we have another bill where you see an over inking on the 8131913. Hey guys, we got a good one here. Man, that 8. If this last one here was an 8, this would be perfect. You'd have a bookend repeater. You know, this is one of those ones that we've been referring to lately as a reacher. But it's, you know, it's a five number serial number, so it's really nothing that I'm going to hold on to. 8896679, no. Let's see here. 19. Now here's somebody, you know, this could be considered a birth note of 1927, born on April 25th. So, you know, that's something, I'm actually going to put that aside for now. And 2966875338, 70, 3756887. And then last but not least, we have 600476651. So, you know what, guys? And that whole stack of ones really looks like, honestly, this was a possible keeper. But, you know, the person wanting this bill is going to be 90 years old. Or maybe this will be for somebody that wants to remember their grandfather or something. And then the one from 1985. Quite frankly, I'll probably hold on to it just because of the age. The condition is so-so. But, you know, it's what you guys can find, and you go through $50. Hopefully you find a little bit more. Let us know down below what you found in your searches. And if you want to correspond, it's ravenhawkcoins@gmail.com. And our P.O. Box is 2825 Vista, California, 92085. Take care of one another, guys. RavenHawk Coins. Have a great day.